a sunny day on a country road, an elephant rides with a big brave load. Pedaling strong, balance just right, his tail sways gently, what a funny sight. Animals rolling, gliding and more, having adventures like never before. Laughs and cheers fill the bright blue sky, his friends roll by with a happy high. Next comes Giraffe, so tall and proud, gliding on skates, laughing out loud. Her legs are long, she's graceful and grand, skating along with a wave of her hand. Animals rolling, gliding and more, having adventures like never before. Laughs and cheers fill the bright blue sky, his friends roll by with a happy high. Next comes Giraffe, so tall and proud, gliding on skates, laughing out loud. Her legs are long, she's graceful and grand, skating along with a wave of her hand. Animals rolling, gliding and more, having adventures like never before. Laughs and cheers fill the bright blue sky, his friends roll by with a happy high. Man monkey on the handlebar, a cheeky monkey swings right along, hanging on the handlebars, humming a song. With flips and tricks, he makes a show, swinging up high and then down low. Animals rolling, gliding and more, having adventures like never before. Laughs and cheers fill the bright blue sky, his friends roll by with a happy high. And this little bunny, scooting so fast, zooming along, never coming in last. With tiny paws and a twitch of her nose, she zips by fields where wildflowers grow. Animals rolling, gliding and more, having adventures like never before. Laughs and cheers fill the bright blue sky, his friends roll by with a happy high. So off they go, this joyful crew, through fields of green and skies so blue. Friends together, side by side, on a countryside adventure ride. Here comes a lion, bold and grand, on a skateboard zooming across the land. With a roar of joy and his mane so free, he races along as brave as can be. Speedy cheetah, faster than light, on a bright red bike zooms left and right. With spots on her fur and eyes so keen, she's the fastest friend you've ever seen. Animals riding, racing and play, on wheels and paws they roll away. Through fields and skies they roam so free, friends on an adventure as happy as can be. And then there's Fox with a daring twist, on rollerblades she swishes and twists. With a swish of her tail and a clever grin, she glides with ease as light as the wind. The hedgehog on a unicycle, look at hedgehog so brave and small, on a unicycle, balancing tall. With a steady gaze and tiny feet, he rolls on by so calm and neat. Animals riding, racing and play, on wheels and paws they roll away. Through fields and skies they roam so free, friends on an adventure as happy as can be. With laughs and cheers they journey far, from forest trail to grassy yard. A team of friends on wheels they soar, on roads and paths forever meet. With laughs and cheers they journey far, from forest trail to grassy yard. A team of friends on wheels they soar, on roads and paths forever meet.